I'm going to expose something many creators never talk about, the invisible system problem inside the YouTube platform that silently makes you lose subscribers, video views, and watch hours. Because sometimes the issue is not your hard work, not your editings, not also your content, but the real cause is the algorithm itself, and quietly deciding who can see your video and who doesn't. Let us break it down clearly. The first hidden reason is the YouTube's automatic purge of fake or inactive accounts in the platform itself. YouTube does this regularly and without warning you. The system scans millions of accounts and removes anything that looks like a bot or a spam subscriber or a user who has completely stopped using the YouTube platform. When those accounts disappear from your channel, your subscriber count will drop instantly. You didn't do anything wrong. YouTube is just cleaning the platform. Every creator is affected, but a small channel feels it most. The second issue is subscribers not receiving notification from your channel activity, even though they subscribed to your channel. Here is the truth. Subscribing alone is no longer enough. If the viewers don't press the bell icon and choose all notification, YouTube may never show them your new videos. And even when they press a bell, the algorithm still checks their watch behavior in your channel. If they haven't clicked your content for a while, the system decides they are not interested anymore from your channel. So your video stop appearing on their homepage. Then they stop noticing your channel and slowly they drift away from your channel. The third reason is click-through rate. This one is the most powerful signal to the YouTube algorithm. Here is what happens behind the scene. You upload a video. YouTube shows it to a small group of your subscribers. If only a few people click on it, the system instantly reduces impression from your video. It stops recommending your video. It stops pushing to the subscribers. It stops promoting it to the home and suggested page. In other words, YouTube assumes your own audience is not interested and your content gets buried. When your subscribers never see your videos, they disconnect from your channel. Inactive viewers become dormant, and dormant viewers eventually unsubscribe from your channel, naturally by the YouTube algorithm itself. This is how the click-through rate, that is something you can't fully control, ends up silently reducing your audience. So let me tell you what to do. Focus on powerful thumbnail, clear titles, strong hooks, and video that match your audience's expectation. Remind viewers to turn on the notification bell and actually watch your videos. Because the more they click and engage in your channel, the more the YouTube pushes your content again. Subscriber loss is not always your fault. Sometimes it is the system. Your job is to understand it and play smarter. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand why subscribers disappear from your channel, make sure to stay connected to my channel, turn on all notification bell, and keep learning the system. Keep growing with confidence. See you in the next video.